let me get my camera set up and we're gonna look to take this out. All right, y'all, so different camera angle looking across the car so you can kind of see this as it comes out. Done my best to try to make a path, to not make a mess. Like I said, there's a little bit of a tooth right here on the front of this. This also sits into a gasket, so it is semi-sealed down, so I used very gently, used my screwdriver to pry it up a little bit, but at this point, it should be loose. Now, I've also got the advantage that the gas tank is basically empty. You may not have that's the case. So as this comes out, there's also your level float right here at the end, so you're gonna have to tip it as it comes out so you can get this level float out just like that, take it out of the car. All right, y'all, so now that that is out, you're gonna wanna go ahead and take your gasket, because you'll have a new one. Go ahead and set that in first and set it into place. And like I said, you're gonna wanna do this relatively quickly. Now, my gas tank is almost bone dry empty, which really, really helps. But especially if you've got a full tank of gas, you want to crank through this really quickly. Okay, so now I've got the new pump right here. As you can see, I had to put the arm on. This is your float. All of this is brand new, but the float only goes on really in one way. So you're just going to take it and angle it back in the same way that it came out. So just kind of work it down, work it into place. Try not to mess up your gasket as it goes in. Okay, and you'll just slowly work it down right back into where it should be, like that. And remember, it's got that same tooth here on one side. So take it and you can just press it down into place just like that. So as you can tell, this really isn't that hard. And man, having that into place already, the gas smell is significantly less, which is really, really nice.